Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find paid invoices on QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find some paid invoices. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks Online. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on Sales or highlight Sales and then click on Invoices. So what's going to be shown here are all your invoices. Now, if you scroll down even further, there's going to be this tab here or this menu that says Paid. Go ahead and make sure that this says Paid, and then it's going to filter out all your paid invoices within the past 12 months. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find all your paid invoices on QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.